where dreams don't just begin,
they take flight.
Namaskar and welcome to Prince Academy, the launchpad of success.
Is a school just about books and exams?
Not at Prince Academy. It is about discovering who you truly are.
Modern classrooms, advanced laboratories,
Where learning is not about memorizing, it is an experience.
artificial intelligence, drone technologies,
We are not just studying the future, we are creating it.
shooting ranges, swimming, horse riding.
Boxing, athletics, every talent find its stage here.
Fully furnished hostel for boys and girls.
Hostel life builds discipline and long-lasting friendships.
From spectacular results and all India ranks in 10th and 12th board exams
To competitive exams like CUET, CLAT, agriculture, we believe in excellence.
events and carnivals,
Music, dance, creativity and educational excursion to ISRO and BITS Pilani.
here every celebration is a moment to get exposure.
They are making their marks across the globe.
Our alumni are at commendable posts like civil services, founders and CEO of many big brands.
We are not just building the students, we are building the leaders of tomorrow.
Admissions open now at Prince Academy
Give your student, give your ward the exposure they need.
and the future they dream of.